viewers, welcome back to my channel. Let's start by stretching out the neck area. This movement activates muscles like the masseter and platysma, which help define the jawline and reduce sagging. It also prevents double chin. Doing this enhances the natural contour of your face, giving you that lifted, sculpted look. This movement activates and strengthens the muscles under the cheeks, preventing the droop that comes with aging. Pressing the cheeks trains the muscles like this, lifts and holds more fullness, counteracting volume loss as we age. Tapping encourages collagen and promotes elasticity and firmness over time. Rotating tongue like this targets deep facial muscles, helping reduce double chin and sagging. This movement targets facial asymmetry, muscle tone, and jaw tension, especially helpful for balancing and sculpting the face. This is very effective exercise that works the muscles around the mouth, jaw, and cheeks. Squinting helps to strengthen the muscles beneath the eyes and prevent eye bags over time. Do this to gently stretch the skin and underlying muscles, reducing the appearance of deep creases between the eyebrows. Push down your eyebrows with your fingers while resisting by looking up. This is a powerful technique to reduce frown lines and strengthen the forehead muscles. It is all about controlled resistance, like strength training for your brow area. Let's finish out with a relaxing lymphatic massage to help release any fluid that's built up during our session. You worked so hard today. Remember to drink plenty of water to keep things flowing. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!